Hi guys, welcome to our channel. With the increasing trend of holding cryptocurrency with your saved money, altcoins have a significant role in it. In this video, we're going to talk about how much ADA you need to retire with, as well as some price predictions for the future of ADA. ADA, or Cardano, is a cryptocurrency that has been gaining a lot of attention recently, thanks to its unique features and strong community support. If you're considering investing in ADA for your retirement, this video is for you. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Tune in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comment section. Be sure to watch the full video and show your support by liking it if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us just dive in. First of all, you should know, what is ADA? The cryptocurrency ADA operates on the Cardano blockchain, which is a decentralized platform aimed at providing a secure and sustainable infrastructure for digital transactions and applications. It was created in 2017 by Input Output Hong Kong IOHK, a blockchain research and development firm founded by Charles Hoskinson, who co-founded Ethereum. ADA and Cardano's primary objective is to address the scalability, security, and sustainability challenges that previous generations of blockchain technology encountered. For example, Cardano employs a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which is more energy efficient and secure than Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies' proof-of-work algorithms. Additionally, Cardano's layered architecture segregates the settlement layer for transactions from the computation layer for running smart contracts, allowing for more flexibility and scalability. Within the Cardano ecosystem, ADA is utilized as a means of exchange and a store of value. Users can exchange ADA, buy goods and services, and partake in the governance of the Cardano network by voting on proposed modifications and upgrades. ADA can also be staked to earn additional rewards and help in securing and decentralizing the network. As the Cardano ecosystem grows and evolves, it will be fascinating to see how ADA and other cryptocurrencies adapt to meet the evolving demands of global users and companies. Now, the first question that comes to mind is, how much ADA do you need to retire comfortably? Part 1. How much ADA do you need to retire with? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. It depends on several factors, such as your age, lifestyle, and spending habits. However, as a general rule of thumb, financial experts recommend that you should aim to have at least 25 times your annual expenses saved up for retirement. So, if you're currently spending $40,000 per year, you'll need around $1 million in savings to retire comfortably. Now let's apply this rule to ADA. At the time of upload of this video, ADA is trading at around $0.342 per coin. So, if you want to retire with $1 million in savings, you'll need to accumulate around 250,000 ADA coins, which will cost you $85,000. In the year 2030, the price prediction shows ADA to be at $3.96, which would give you $1 million. Of course, this is just a rough estimate, and you'll need to do your calculations based on your specific financial situation. Part 2. ADA price predictions. Now that we've discussed how much ADA you need to retire with, let's talk about some price predictions for the future of ADA. It's important to note that predicting the future price of any cryptocurrency is extremely difficult, and there's no guarantee that these predictions will come true. That being said, let's take a look at what some experts are saying. According to Wallet Investor, ADA is expected to reach $0.80 by the end of 2023, $1.34 by the end of 2025, and $2.78 by the end of 2028. And finally, by 2030, ADA would be $3.96. This represents a significant increase from its current price of $0.342. Of course, these are just predictions, and the actual price of ADA could be higher or lower than these estimates. It's important to do your research and make investment decisions based on your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Part 3. Factors that can affect the price of ADA. It's important to note that the price of ADA, like any other cryptocurrency, is influenced by a variety of factors. Some of these factors include market sentiment. The overall mood of the cryptocurrency market can have a significant impact on the price of ADA. If investors are feeling bullish about the future of cryptocurrencies, the price of ADA is likely to rise. Technology advancements. Cardano has been praised for its innovative technology, and any advancements or improvements to the technology could lead to an increase in the price of ADA. Adoption and usage. The more people and businesses that adopt Cardano and use ADA for transactions, the more demand there will be for the cryptocurrency, which could lead to an increase in price. Competition. Cardano faces competition from other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Binance Coin. Any new advancements or improvements made by these competitors could negatively impact the price of ADA. Part 4. Investing in ADA for retirement. Investing in ADA for retirement can be a good strategy for those who are comfortable with the risks associated with cryptocurrency. However, it's important to remember that investing in any cryptocurrency carries significant risks, including price volatility, regulatory uncertainty, and potential for market manipulation. It's also important to have a diversified investment portfolio, including traditional investments such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification can help reduce overall investment risk and protect against losses in any one asset class. Finally, it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. A financial advisor can help you assess your financial situation, determine your risk tolerance, and create an investment plan that aligns with your retirement goals. Part 5. Staking ADA for retirement. In addition to buying and holding ADA as an investment, another strategy to consider for retirement is staking ADA. Staking is the process of holding ADA in a wallet and contributing to the Cardano network's consensus by validating transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. In exchange for staking, investors earn rewards in the form of additional ADA coins. Staking ADA can be a good way to earn passive income and increase your holdings over time. However, it's important to note that staking comes with its risks and considerations, such as the potential for network outages or loss of staked funds due to hacking or other security breaches. Part 6. Risks of investing in ADA for retirement. While investing in ADA for retirement can be a good strategy for some investors, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Some of the main risks of investing in ADA include volatility. Like any cryptocurrency, the price of ADA is highly volatile and can experience significant price swings in a short amount of time. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies is still uncertain, and changes to regulations could impact the price and viability of ADA. Network security. While Cardano's technology is considered secure, there is always a risk of network outages or security breaches that could impact the price of ADA. Market manipulation. The cryptocurrency market is largely unregulated, and there is a risk of market manipulation by whales or other large investors. Adoption risk. While Cardano has seen significant adoption and growth in recent years, there is always a risk that adoption could stagnate or decline, negatively impacting the price of ADA. So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.